Hi there, my name is Tejas Prajapati. My student ID is 225532034, and today I'll be explaining task 8.1c of SIT232. So here we are explaining the test class in which we have few tests, and then we are running and we are checking that all the methods in our my stack and then account are like working perfectly fine or not. So we have pushed few input here. So we have like few different accounts, savings, credit card, and we have inputted few things and few credit in it. So first test is our find test. So we are like in checking that if the account balance is like greater than 0, then we are like finding that account. So in this we are getting like every account which has like a balance greater than 0. Another test is we are like finding we are checking two conditions. We are checking that if one lambda can able to get two conditions. So we are getting like we are checking if the account balance is like greater than 0, and then another one is like account balance should be less than equals to 100, and we are getting the account and we are printing that account here. And this one we are checking if there is like no account which matches this condition, then it should not print that account or not any account. So we are like checking if the account balance is like greater than 10,000, which in our output we don't have any, so it should not print any of these account. Then we have this find all. So in the find it will just get one account and then just return that account. In the find all it will just check all the account, whichever matches its condition it will print all that account. So in this one we are checking that if the account has balance greater than 0, then it will print all the accounts. In this case it just only print this 50, and then in this find all case it should print 50, 1500, 80, and then 500. And then we have this find all. So instead of based on balance, we are checking it from credit card or like a name of the account. So we're checking that credit card, and then we are also getting short-term deposit. So either of these can be there. We have used the or condition here. So for the credit card it should print two credit cards because we have two credit cards here, and for the short term we only have one, so it should print only one account here. For the removes one, in the remove one we are like removing all the account which has balance less than equals to 0, and then we are also checking the size after the removal of those accounts. So in our case we have two accounts which has in the balance less than 0. One is -200 and the one is 01. So after this we should have our account's size of stack should drop by 2, and we are getting the count here as well. For the min-max test we are checking what's the maximum balance and minimum balance after this removal. So after this removal we have 50 as a minimum because -200 is removed, and then maximum is 1500. For the null criteria test we are checking if we have pushed null into the criteria, and then it should print us the exception. It will give us the exceptions based on these methods. And it's working perfectly fine. I'll show you later. And for the last test we have this empty test. In this we are checking that if our stack is empty, then what will be the output of the max and minimum of the account and the account stack. So we expect it to be null, and we'll check it here. We'll run the code. So here you can see that we have the find here. So inside the find we have find the first account with the positive balance, which is the credit card with the $50 in it. Second we have find with the two conditions which we get a one account which is the credit card with the $50. Then in the last one with the condition of balance which is greater than $10,000, we have none account, so it has given us the null. For the find all we can see that with the same condition we get like 4 accounts, and with the help of card name instead of balance we get 2 credit cards and one short-term deposit and balance. For the remove we remove 2 accounts with the balance less than 0, and then the stack size after the removal is 4. For the min-max we can see that the maximum balance is 1500 and minimum is 50 because this is after the removal of this one. So -200 was removed, and we have the 50 as in minimum account. For the null criteria test we can see that they have correctly through the exception. And then for the empty stack we can see that it has printed null as expected. So that's all for this task. Thank you so much.